Sochi. It's the capital of the Russian Riviera, the Black Sea coastline where tundra gives way to palm trees and surf. In Soviet times, it played host to vacationing workers in its grand sanatoria, but the old charm has been lost in recent years after the global bonanza of construction and corruption that was the 2014 Winter Olympics. I'm here to find out what's left of the old resort town. To help get my head around the city, I'm meeting up with Ira, a model and Sochi native who's recently moved back to her hometown and is ready to show me the sights. Can you get used to this?
Это 100 рублей. Что вам?
Ну что у вас есть здесь?
Посмотрите, у нас какая малина. Месяц какой?
So, oh,
Отлично.
delicious. So it's November now. Look at these raspberries. You don't get raspberries this good in England in the summer. We've got here some classic Georgian chashchela.
Это чучело, да. Здоровья. Спасибо вам.
Спасибо.
Thank you.
Georgian Snickers, chashchela, walnuts dripped with grape juice. And you get string with it as well, which is very good for you.
Кота ногами не дергайте, не шевелите. Две вместе опускайте.
That is quite a sensation. Seems only fair. There you go. Sochi. Beautiful.
Ты сказала мне, это мечты.
Take this
Okay.
part. Never eat this topping. Just
Okay.
like put it there because it have a liquid inside. You just like
So I take this,
yeah, drop it there.
drop it here.
Yeah, too much. Yeah. So the thing is, this food is very good when you drink it.
Okay.
You had 3 of them. You can, I don't know, drink 1 bottle of wine.
3 Hinkali, 1 bottle of wine.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
Good to
Georgian
know.
diet. So I was, you know, like the people in Sochi, like talking to each other like this.
Yeah?
You know, when they keep you
Real
like
close in like
yeah,
that.
yeah, and you just like you need to, you know, like talk with your hands and just like you know describe something. And sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But
Expressive.
if you understand me,
It's
we will go to
physical.
this. We will
It's
go to this
intimate.
place with
We're
Khachapuri.
going over
you know.
here.
Yeah.
Okay.
They have art cocktails, but I'm not a.
An
you know,
art cocktail.
Yeah, I mean they do nice.
Sure.
things. Yeah.
Let's try it.
I can recommend it only in the way how I like it, the way how I can drink.
Okay.
Five cocktails is enough.
Okay.
Don't drink too much.
I won't. Ooh, nice. Snazzy. So, I'm about to have an early morning underwater massage. I'm in a hot bath and I'm about to be pounded from all sides by powerful underwater currents. Remarkably pleasurable. So the Soviet sanatorium was a real unique phenomenon. These huge neoclassical palaces are where workers would be sent to relax, to recuperate, to receive massages, spa treatments of all sorts before going back to work. The Ojona kids, sanatorium where we are now opened in 1937, but it's been abandoned for several years now. In the lead up to the 2014 Winter Olympics in Sochi, the construction was really reckless and plenty of old buildings were destroyed or kind of damaged as part of so-called renovations, but Majorna Kidze was listed and therefore, almost as a stroke of luck, it managed to survive. So yeah, from this terrifying metal construction, I will leap into the void for the entertainment of onlookers. Can I trust these guys?
I don't know.
I don't know. Probably. It's probably fine.
4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Yeah.
Okay, gotta take this thing off. This is the Olympic Park, this is where the World Cup's going to be, this is where the Olympics were, this is like Sochi's new playground. But I think we've seen enough of old Sochi, we've seen new Sochi, we've seen ruined, abandoned Sochi, we've seen this brightly coloured Disneyland Sochi, and today we went into the mountains, saw the local flavour, the local tastes, and yeah, it's been good. Thanks for showing me around. Sochi is unlike anywhere else I've been in Russia, and that's only in part because a beach resort isn't the first thing that comes to mind when you think of the country. At times it feels like the town is stuck in a time loop with its faded Soviet glamour. But there's a fresh energy here too, in the unpretentious nightlife, the Caucasus-inspired food and drink, and the sense that Russians themselves are rediscovering this stunning location on their doorstep.